Alright, let's set the stage. Iran and Israel have been rivals for decades, but things just hit a whole new level. A few months ago, Iran launched its first ever direct missile attack on Israel, and after that, both sides ramped up the action. Fast forward to this week, the US joined in, teaming up with Israel to bomb 3 of Iran's nuclear sites in a massive operation. Now, the region's on fire, and everyone's watching. So, what's happening in the markets? Let's start with oil. The Middle East supplies nearly a third of the world's oil, and if fighting blocks the Strait of Hormuz, that's the world's busiest oil route, crude prices could explode. After the strikes, Brent crude jumped over 5%. If this escalates, we could see petrol prices soar, hitting not just the pump, but everything from food to travel. Next up, gold. Whenever there's chaos, people rush to gold. And it's happening again. Prices have smashed record highs above $2,400 an ounce, as investors pile in for safety. Stock markets? Volatile is an understatement. Airlines and tourism are getting hammered, tech companies are wobbling, but oil and gas stocks are rising as traders bet on higher fuel prices. Currencies are shaking too. The US dollar is flexing. It's the classic safe haven, while the Indian rupee is sinking to record lows. That means imports, like electronics and even your next vacation, just got a lot more expensive if you're in India. Let's zoom in on India for a sec. We import over 80% of our oil. So when prices climb, so does the cost of everything else. Fuel, veggies, transport, you name it. Plus, with the rupee falling, studying abroad or buying that new phone just got pricier. So what should you do as an investor? First, don't panic. Diversify. Don't put everything in stocks. Gold and fixed deposits are your friends right now. Always keep an emergency fund ready. 3 to 6 months of expenses is smart. And whatever you do, avoid panic selling. History shows markets eventually recover, even after big shocks like this. Alright, I'm wrapping up. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates. And tell me in the comments, do you think this conflict will escalate, or will cooler heads prevail? Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay smart out there.